Our knees are included in our most important movements every day, such as walking, standing, running, jumping, so their function is of high importance to the entire body. Yet, they use their natural lubrication over time and the ligaments and tendons become less flexible. In this way, they are more susceptible to injuries. Since they are a vital link between our body and the ground, we need to support the health of our knees and strengthen the ligaments and tendons. In this way, we will promote a better support of the body. Fortunately, there is an extremely effective natural recipe which strengthens the knees and enhances their lubrication. The main ingredients of the following recipe include the gelatin, pineapple, cinnamon, and oats. Using them, you can make a tasty and healthy smoothie, rich in silicon, magnesium, bromelain, and vitamin C. It will provide potent anti-inflammatory effects and will soothe the discomfort and pain. Gelatin is an excellent way to nourish the tendons and ligaments. Unflavored, natural gelatin is the healthiest choice because of the higher amount of collagen protein. Ingredients: 2 cups of pineapple chunks, 7 grams cinnamon, 1 cup of instant oatmeal, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 40 grams, 1 cup freshly squeezed orange juice, 40 grams honey, 40 grams crushed almonds, 250 milliliters water. Method of preparation: initially, you should cook the oat and add the orange juice. Next, add the unflavored gelatin, honey, almonds, cinnamon, and pineapple chunks in a blender, and mix them well until you get a homogeneous smooth mixture. Then, add the oatmeal in the blender as well and blend once more. You can add a few ice cubes if you like to consume it cold.